Hello, welcome to Faithful Media Tech. Today we are going to look at date function, how you can use date in Excel to do different kind of thing you want to do. All right, let's go. So we have some tables here, some data in our Excel sheet here. So I'm going to show you how you can find the date of today. And when you make use of the date of today in Excel and you leave it like that, when tomorrow comes, it will change automatically. So there are different functions of date in Excel, which we are going to look at now. We are going to look at today function, now function, date function, day function, month function, year function, one by one, and see how they work. So if you want to find today's date using date today function, I'm just going to put equal to today and press my enter key. Now I have 14th of May 2020, which is the same everywhere. Now I want to get the date and time now using now function. When I use now function, I get not only the date but also the time, and it's automatic. It will be working with the universal time, so based on your time zone. Now I'll just need to put equal to now and then press my enter key. If you see now, I have 14th May 2020, time 23:51, which is 11:51 p.m. Pretty good. So that is how you can make use of now function in Excel when you're working with date. We have another one called date function. Now this allows you to input your date using date function. So if I put equal to date bracket, if you look at what is happening here now, it's giving me the procedure. That is the procedure in it, what I need to put. So when I put date, it's telling me to put year, comma, month, comma, and day. So the first thing I'm going to put here, I'm going to put year 2020, comma, and then the next one is month 05, comma, and the last one is what, date, which is what, 14. So I press enter. So I have the date automatically here. Now, how does this one work now? With this one works automatically. Today work automatically. When it comes tomorrow, it will change. But this one is static date, it will not change. You are fixing this date to your work, but whereby you want the date to continue working like that according to the days of the month, then you use today. When it comes tomorrow, it will change to 15, but this one will remain 14. Okay. Day function allow you to be able to just find out from the date. For example, now I can just come and say equal to day bracket here. It's giving me third. So likewise to month. Now I want to find my month, so I put equal to month bracket this cell, so it will give me 4th, which is what, April. And if I want to extract year from this, I just put equal to year bracket here, the cell C13, and then I get 2020. So you see the method. Now these are the type of functions we have in Excel concerning date. Now it's left for you on what and how you want to apply date in your Excel. Now if you look at it, I have equal to year, then the cell range, equal to month, the cell range, equal to day, the cell range, date, then I insert the date manually. Then now to get the time and date, today, to get only the date of today. So that's the method for you to get or work with dates in Excel. So let's look at another example of how you can work with it. So I have something here. I have how to find date of birth or do some work more than that in Excel. So I have, for example, this is a date of birth of somebody here. There are two methods which I can use to find somebody's date. The first method is very simple. I can just put equal to, I can just put equal to dated if, then bracket. I'll put this cell now. I'm working with the year and the age of the person. So I'll put this particular date of birth, comma, and I'll put this one, comma, and then I'll put the year. What I did there now, this is, okay, sorry, I have the date of birth there already, but I'm making use of this one. So I have date of birth and today's date. So I want to calculate how old is this person. So when I put the formula like that, and then I close, it's giving me 24. So this person is 24 years old. Perfect. So very easy like that. And the second method is, I don't want to work with all this now, but I'll just come and make use of something else. So assuming I'm working with only one date, that is under the date of birth, I don't have this one, then I'll follow this function equal to bracket year bracket now close the bracket, then close it again, minus year, then you put the bracket, then I highlight this here, this very particular cell, then close it. This is when I'm working with only one date. So I have the day, the year of the person here, which is what? 24. But I need to format this cell now to general. So I just come here and make it general so that I'll have what I want. So 20. You see now. So I'm working with only this date now. This one enables me to work with two dates, this and this. Why this one enables me to work with only this, and then I get the accurate result. This person was born in the year 2000. It's year 2000. So working with using equal to year bracket. Now working with this current date, my subtracted from this very year in this cell, then I got 20. So that's the way you can, another method you can calculate the age of somebody. Now let's go to our next way of finding age, days. Now for example, if I want to find the number of days I have spent, and then the number of months I have spent, the number of years I have spent, also just like we did there, very simple. The same thing, I'll just come and say dated if equal to dated if bracket here, comma, here, comma, then I'm looking for days, so I just put D. So to calculate the total number of days I've lived on Earth. So see, this person have lived 9,070 days. Likewise the month. So I put equal to dated if bracket date of birth bracket today's date, comma, then I'll put what? Month. Very good. This person have lived 297 months. The same thing is applied here. So what I'll just go and do now, look at it. I told you the other day in our formula, introduction to formulas in Excel, that you can use equal to for many things in Excel. So I'm not going to type the formula or the functions here again. All I need to do now, I will just put equal to this very cell and then get my result here. So I have 24 here. Very good. I getting it? Perfect. So now I want to calculate how many days. Okay, let me put equal to the year here, the year. So I want to calculate now how many months before my birthday, how many days left before my birthday. I can also do that thing. So if I want to calculate how many months left before my birthday, so I'll just put equal to data if brackets this cell, comma, this cell, comma, then I'll put year and month. So if I press enter, 9 months to my birthday, 9 good months to my what? Birthday. So I can also come here and do the same thing, equal to data if bracket this cell, comma, and this, comma, I put month, and then day. So I click enter. So I have 29 days. So 24 years, 9 months, and 29 days. That is exact days I have. And that is if I want to calculate my years and months and day. So my age is 24 plus 9 months and then 29 days. By tomorrow, it will be 30 days. Now is how to calculate your age, to know how you have been going or things about or anything date in Excel. So with this, I hope you've understand the methods you can use to use date function in Excel and how you can at least use it to calculate dates. There are many more things you can also do, but mostly know that mostly is age and then day in Excel. So with this now, practice more, be familiarized with the functions I use here, go through it very well, and then practice it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.